Meet Scott. He's a car dealer, but is having trouble with his business. His main concern is using his internet marketing strategies to get qualified leads, then converting those leads into car buyers for his dealership, while knowing what marketing is working and what is not. What Scott needs is Showroom Magnet, a new product from Online Drive. Showroom Magnet is an incentive-based program that works with Scott's dealership website and all his marketing channels, from traditional to digital, to create a threefold increase in the site's lead conversions. And, more importantly, a fourfold increase in visitor rate from those lead conversions to Scott's dealership. Plus, offers him complete end-to-end ROI accountability for all his marketing channels. Here's how it works. By offering potential customers a gift card bonus to visit the dealership, Showroom Magnet pulls those customers into Scott's store with an extra incentive. Customers then get their e-gift cards validated for instant use while buying a car. The customer is happy. Scott is happy. Scott sees every transaction on his dealership showroom floor by marketing channel, by salesperson, conversion percentages, working deal ratios, and closing ratios. So with Showroom Magnet, Scott can rest assured his marketing is getting more customers in the door. Showroom Magnet just plain works. Try it 30 days free. If you don't see more leads, just quit. It really is just that simple.